Go get him. Where's Kaden? Go get him. Where's Kaden? Yeah. You figuring it out, huh, Ethan? You know it's tied together there. Where'd he go? You guys opened it up. Where's Kaden? Where's Kaden? There he is. There's Kaden. Where's your brother? Where's Kaden? Go get Kaden. Go get Kaden. Go get your brother. Where'd Kaden go? Where's Kaden? Where's Kaden? There he is. Hi, Kaden. Go get your brother. All right. Are you looking at the clock? Clock? What is that? Clock? Clock? Yeah. Silly boy. All right. Bye-bye.